How to make the cryptic scrambled eggs? Well, you get some nice hot salami and capsicum and onion, fry it up, mix in the ayahuasca chopped up like it's equivalent parsley equivalent. Let them emulsify like a decent amount, and then chuck your red or green ghee eggs in. Eggs normally green, not red, but I was the first one with the red one. Put it that way, I think, with this recipe. The siven roux, or MOA inhibitor, you have to source. It's not illegal in most places. For the tea you drink about 20 minutes before. It does make you trip a bit by buggery in the morning for some reason, because ayahuasca is 4-MeO DMT, not 5-MeO DMT like documented on the road, and it doesn't occur naturally in plants, or you can't synthesize it, sorry, unlike the 5-MeO DMT, which you find in things like acacia. But there is Femi Fani's breakfast range of herbs, which does include all the different versions of ayahuasca. I can't for the life of me say they're illegal because they just bring out ayahuasca. What do you do with them? You know what I'm saying? If you're using a supermarket range, someone else can make them say they're illegal. Because I for the hell only can't, no matter how many times I've tried. So there is a Femi Fani breakfast range of products. The really big one is the ayahuasca equivalent. You can make smoothies and things like that, some of the stuff out of it as well. But definitely a recipe to serve the mess for breakfast one time. In this. If anyone who's decided to go for the cyborg, not the repatriation, because it does have disenchantment options later on. It will have a hidden layer. As we know, we're getting, like, how are we getting away with this? It's because there's cryptic scrambled eggs that's being served, and it just sounds great for breakfast. Whatever they're getting. Having a ciggy smoked at you by me.